Alright, so we had some issues with the motor. Stud broke off right here, as you can see. I tried drilling it out and everything, I couldn't get it out, so I even tried these, the little remover bits to get it out. Wouldn't work. So I ended up drilling out new holes and using the tapping them out for M8 studs instead. So got these big M8 studs now that I go in here. And I went ahead and did the same thing to the back side. Went ahead and put big M8 studs in it. This piece right here and this little bracket right here, I had to open the holes up a little bigger on it because it wasn't big enough for these bigger bolts. I guess let's get this engine off here and I will show you the goodie box that I got of all the stuff that I'm going to put on the bicycle. This is our goodie box. So our trunk that's going to go on the bicycle. It's got a nice backrest right here. It's got a key. There's not lights in here, but that is okay because these little lenses unscrew and we're going to put our own LEDs in here. And this is our box of all of our goodies. I'm going to take it, spread it all out here on the table, and we continue. Alright, so this is our Trail Tech Vapor. It's got a speed, RPM meter, head temperature using the spark plug, handlebar mount. We got some mirrors. Ordered these from China forever ago. They got here and they didn't come with the mounts. I ended up getting my money back, and then I ordered mirrors like 3 other times and they didn't have the color, they was sold out, just different things. So I finally got these. This is our generator. Let's get the engine real quick. So this generator will mount right there. The last one I had a really thin plate right here, and it didn't have these pins holding it in. It was really cheaply made, and it just had like tape holding it in. I think you can get it from Bikeberry and off of eBay. But this one seems like it's way better made. We shall see. And put it back in the box so we don't break it. So we got some new clutch pads, new petcock, a new air filter because the other one we lost, some spark plugs, some bullet wire connectors and double connectors, multicolored wire, handlebar, new grips there, throttle, LED lights for the blinkers and brakes, some rubber rings to go for the wiring harness to go through the trunk, some black ABS glue sticks to seal everything up and stick some wires to the frame so it doesn't vibrate, a new magneto, a little bit more powerful, a back derailleur, some wiring harness tape, an alarm, which is extremely loud, LED underglow kit, and a cheap eBay soldering iron kit. And that should be everything, along with the stuff that I already have, which is heat shrink tubing and stuff. We should be good. And that will be the next video.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.